Hi, it's Lilly Lenna. I've got a couple of workshops that I'm teaching on PranaLink. You can go to my store and find out the dates and sign up right there. The first one I'd like to tell you about is this free workshop. It's feeling comfortable with the pendulum. This is a technique that I have used over the last 25 years. And we'll also be exploring some muscle testing methods. This free workshop is a prerequisite for the other workshops that are coming in 2022. They're very unique, very different than what you've ever experienced. They will be using the pendulum to find your own story, to find your own blockages. And then I will be doing a meditation to shift the energies. So some of the examples of some of the workshops coming are clearing blockages to marketing and success, self-love, leadership, living your authentic self, listening, addictions, and letting go. So we are really living in some intense times, and maybe not even feeling like you can trust the world like you used to. This learning how to use the pendulum will give you a great opportunity to speak with your higher self. And so it's supporting also taking responsibility for your own journey into this unknown territory that we are walking into. So I hope you join me for this opportunity to learn tools and skills to help yourself and navigating this new territory.